And yet, when they compete, meron din silang particular na niche, no? Like, halimbawa, sabi mo nga, yung mga life insurance companies, nagkataon lang na may sinali silang component na ganyan, no? Pero
Yes.
yung mga mutual fund houses, specific sila sa pagmamanage ng mga mutual funds. And then the other one that you mentioned, again, they have their own niche. But yes, they compete kasi they're still after the same market. In other words, the people who want to invest their money.
Correct. Correct.
Mm.
Yan.
Uh,
Ang dapat ma-compare or
mm-mm.
somehow mako-compare mo is mutual funds,
Mm-mm.
unit investment trust fund, mutual
Okay.
funds, investment house, unit
Okay.
investment trust fund from the banks.
Oh,
Life insurance is VUL.
okay.
Life insurance plus VUL.
Mm-mm.
MP2 is our government offered funds
Mm-mm.
na kaya siya nako-compare sa mutual funds is ang MP2 lang naman is conservative eh.
Mm-mm.
Yun lang. Wala naman siyang stock market eh. Wala siyang equity
Ah,
fund. Wala siyang
okay.
equity fund.
Mm.
Yan. So, ganun siya.